In this video, we'll take a look at how you can use our SMTP feature to send all booking-related notifications from your business email rather than the default SimplyBook.me one. You can start by retrieving the necessary SMTP settings from your email service provider if you don't have them on hand. If your provider hasn't issued any specific settings, you should be able to find and use the default ones available online. You can also reach out to them directly to request they provide the SMTP settings you should use. Once we have the settings, we can navigate to the custom features page of your SimplyBook.me account, locate SMTP email, and enable it. Let's expand the settings to fill them out. Add the email address and name for the from fields and fill out the rest of the configuration with the relevant values. I will be using the default values for Gmail in this example. We strongly recommend setting up and using app passwords for both Google and Outlook in order for everything to work properly. You can find links with instructions on setting these up in the description box below. Once you've completed setup, save settings and send the test email to make sure everything is working properly. The test email will be sent to the company email listed in Settings Company Information. Let's quickly go through some common issues that could interfere with emails being sent. If everything is otherwise set up properly, please check if there's any hourly, daily, or weekly limit of emails for the configured mailbox. Also, please make sure that the connected account allows using third-party apps. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.